My name is Freddreck and I'm a transporter in guest relations, and I work at Phoebe for 13 years. I'm just happy to be here. It's a great place to work. I was born right here at Phoebe, put in the hospital. I moved to New Jersey when I finished school, high school, and I worked for Continental Airlines for 15 years. I moved back to Albany due to 9/11. Well, it all started with my mother. She's a retired nurse here. She worked here as a nurse for 42 years. And when we moved back from New Jersey, she said, Phoebe is a great place to work. I think you guys would love to work out there. My wife came first, and I came second, then my son came third. The number one thing about being a red coat, you got to have compassion and a pleasant attitude. Because people are sick, and they need some type of compassion to make their day a little bit brighter. We'll assist patients, make sure they're taken care of. We valet park their cars. We help lift them out of the vehicle sometimes, and get wheelchair for them and take them to their designated appointments. Any assistance that they need, that's what we're here for. I greet them with a smile, and I greet them and I let them know it's going to be all right. Going to have a great day today, and we want them to come back to Phoebe. I want them to leave with a good impression on Phoebe, saying that this is a great hospital to come to. I have patients say, I remember you. You helped me get out of the car. You helped my mom. You helped my father. They be looking for me when they come. They asking for me, where have you been? I say, well, I'm all over the hospital. That means a lot. Every day, I'm ready. I love people and I love compassion. I have that in my heart. Anything I can do, I'm gonna do it for you. I advise anybody that's in the medical field, because we are a great hospital and we're like a big happy family here. So I just suggest that you come and be a part of our family. This is a great place to work.